Hello everybody, thank you beforehand for watching this video. This is the very first video of the Mustangs that we will have for sale. We'll start with this one. This is a 1964 and a half Mustang, and apologize also if it's not pretty, if it's not clean. It's in the middle of being restored and cleaned up, so let's go ahead and take a look. This is pretty much the status of how I got it. It has been cleaned up at the top and the sides a little bit. So let me show you around a little bit here. We got the lid, original, pretty great condition. We have the rear glass still there, protecting it from the rain. For the back part, we have this quarter panel here, already worked on a little bit. We're still currently working on these door jambs right here. Getting all cleaned out. We got the seats back in there just to show you on this video. The rear quarter panels there are there. The dash is being cleaned out at the moment. It was melted over the years. And we have the floor panels down there. They do have holes. They will need to be replaced. The engine, the V8, has been taken out and sold out, along with the transmission, so the transmission is gone as well. We got the windshield there protecting the dash over the years. We are cleaning that at the moment, as you can see. Some areas here, this is where your rust is. This area will have to be replaced. This whole quarter panel right here. While we're at it right now, let me show you. There's the VIN number right there showing that is truly a 64 and a half production year, and sold then in the 65 to the first buyers that decided to buy off the demo lot or demo car show. All right, so we got this side here also worked on already. This was all cleaned out. It was in a pretty rough shape, rusted over the years. Right now we're cleaning that area right there. Door jambs being cleaned out as well right there. The rear quarter glass for the windows, side windows, are still there. So that's a pretty big equipment there, pretty big piece, hard to find sometimes. So we got hardware in there. The inside of the roof, the ceiling, has been cleaned out as well and primed. There's a couple spots that still need attention, and coming back to him. So there's the back of them. We're currently cleaning underneath the seats and the back panels. The floors, like I said, probably will have to be replaced. Right there, you can tell they're in pretty bad shape with some holes in there. While we at it, let's look at parts of the dash. It does have a original glove box cover. Does not have a glove box per se. Still works pretty good. Opens up the radio, original AM radio still there. You got your temperature control mechanism with the ashtray right there. You can tell right there still the heater down there. We still got the wiring here, all of it, including the one for the front. That would cost you about $700 or so to come. We got this steering wheel, pretty bad shape. Some people might want to restore that one. We do have more parts for sale, original, brand new, used, on my eBay channel, so don't forget to check that out. While we at it, don't forget to check out my other videos. Please subscribe to the channel and like them. Post your questions and your comments. All right, so we got this door jamb here, still not being cleaned out. As you can see, the other one was a little bit started. We're removing the layers of Bondo that they have put over the years. By the way, the original color of this car is a Pagoda Green. The only produced for the 1964, and this car has some layers of paint, about 3 or 4 I have counted. So that's the original color right there. I left it just to show a little bit of the original paint. Beautiful paint. As you can see, this one is the same color right there, and somebody painted it. Let's see, it seems like blue, red, and finally black. 3 layers on top of the original. So I have removed parts of Bondo, sheets of Bondo off the quarter panels. I'm still working on them. That actually protected it over the years. Seems like these quarter panels have been replaced anyway at some point. Still good metal. I'm cleaning it there. It will be good to go. This little part right there is also in great condition. It came with lights and all that good stuff, but it probably need to be replaced. This one, somebody might want to fix that, who knows. But so I got it without the rear ends. This was a V8 though, but they had been taken out already when I got to it, as well as the front, as you can see as well. The front did have a couple pieces, but they were just parts that you need to replace every so often in a car, for sure, every 50 years. So here we go. This is the 1964 and a half original vintage classic Mustang. Once again, here's the other side of the VIN number. You can pause it and look at it. Check out your stats online. And I don't have it with me right now, but I have the tag, door tag. Don't have this door that comes for this car. I do have the passenger door. I have acquired also the fenders for it, original 64 and a half. Will have to be cleaned up and patched up a little bit. We got the seats. Once again, I went with the bench seat. This is super rare, super hard to find. There's the fender right there, one of them. But yeah, that is mainly the first car for sale. And if it's already sold, it will say on the title that it has been sold. But thank you for watching anyway. At the moment, it will be sold on eBay and starting at $5,000. And we'll start the bid then. Just send your questions, send your comments, emails, text message, call me, connect on any social network out there. There's the other fender back here, as you can see. Just send me your questions, let me know, come down and get it. It has a good Arkansas title ready to go. Come down and get it here. Come get your trailer and we'll load it up for you. This is the first car that we are posting. Super rare and unique. Like I said, the engine has been taken out and sold. It was not the original engine to the car, so no biggie there. Linkage still there with pedal assembly for the gas and brake. Forgot to mention that. Yeah, that area will have to be cleaned up. We'll get to that soon. And once again, this roof is really getting there. Really good shape. It will be good to hold the new parts. Won't get any rust. And you can just put your new headliner. Alright, so please try to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to watch other videos for another 64 and a half Mustang that we'll have for sale, and several 65, 66 and Mustangs up to 73. They will be all posted online at this channel. My name is Gerardo Davila, and you can look me up on the web. I speak Spanish as well, so just let me know. We'll gladly ship it to you worldwide, anywhere in the world, after payment has been received. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.